My topic, uh, our topic is the challenges faced by before and after COVID-19. I would like to tell you about the introduction of the telecom industry in India. Indian telecom industry underwent a high pace of market liberalization growth since 1990 and now has become the world's most competitive and one of the fastest growing telecom market. The industry has grown over 20 times in just 10 years. At the very outset, the focus was on the communication technology, which marked the first wave of the communication era. The second phase was the internet phase, which started approximately around the year 2000. The industry aligned itself around horizontal solution during this phase. It was a time of e-commerce and portals in India. After 2006, the cloud began taking shape, and this market and the third phase of the transformation in the telecommunication industry. Come 2019, we are in the midst of the era of cloud, where a new world of opportunities have opened up for the carriers, and it is evident that this era is unstoppable and there is no escape. In addition to the opportunities, the telecom companies around the world are facing a lot of challenges in this era. New technologies like the Internet of Things, augmented reality, virtual reality, microservice, and more necessities. Next slide, please. Size of this industry is 562 million subscribers, wireless connections per annum. Geographical distribution: Gurgaon, Noida, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, New Delhi, Mumbai, and other cities. Output per annum: rupees uh, uh, 1,36,833 crore per annum, and increasing 20% per every month. Percentage in GDP: 6% to share. That's all from my side. Now I would like to call Anupriya for the further presentation. Thank you.
Please speed up. Who is the presenter?
Anupriya is the present.
I have unmuted you all. Please start. Who is the second presenter?
Thank you, Anuradha. I'm covering the topic top challenges in telecommunication industry before COVID-19. With the availability of new technology, the variety and quality of services from telecom companies and internet service providers are increasing. Profit margins are decreasing, and the line between telecom companies and technology vendors are blurring. Hence, telecoms have to take a fresh look at the level of ICT innovation and adapt their organization to digital transformation by creating a strong cross-functional interfaces and by seeking tools for maintaining organizational flexibility. With millions of subscribers, a variety of new products, bundled and customized solutions. The operational support services like service, configuration, order fulfillment, customer care, and billing are becoming increasingly complex. Hence, the cost of handling these organizations require resources and different tools, thus increasing the facial overhead.
Please be quick.
Thank
Next.
you from my side.
Next.
Anshul, next slide, please. So, coming further to the challenges in telecom industry, the another challenge is that
The
with
voice is very
increasing
low.
variety of
Please
new
speed.
products.
Please switch on. Increase the voice.
So, good morning, sir.
Yes, please.
So, is it audible now?
It is quite low.
So, another challenge is that with the so Another challenge is that with the increase in variety of new products and customized solutions, the operational support service like order fulfillment and customer care, billing, etc., are becoming complex. So there is a need of different tools and resources. So another challenge for telecom industry is that IT and security. Telecom provider need to upgrade their IT and connectivity infrastructure and should increase the quality of data and voice services, which should be more reliable and affordable. So a number of operational and technical innovations are need to meet customer expectations of complete system security. For next, I would like to call Anuradha. Anshul, next slide, please.
So good afternoon, everyone. So here I am presenting the top trends in the telecommunication industry. One of the trend is 5G network. The full of mass 5G network is expected by 2020 years, and the telecom working on it to provide 5G network wave of the faster internet for the faster internet. This technology is uh, not fully defined by all the carriers, but they are proceeding and do their trial in the lab to stay in the race within the competitor. And for example, here I am taking the 5G network by introducing by the Samsung by February 26 2020. They launching the Samsung Note 10 plus 5G mobile by the Feb of the 2020, and recently OnePlus launched their OnePlus 8 Pro 5G phone by 14th April.
Good. Next, please. Next
And
student.
the second point is secure
Next student, please. We
and
don't have
the
too much
second
time.
point is secure. Okay, sir. Next to over to Anuj. Please, Anuj, further continue.
Smartphones, with the use of artificial intelligence, the current smartphones are becoming more enhanced in the technology, and they are performing the augmented reality. That is a combination of real world and the uh, virtual world worlds, and the speech recognition, indoor navigation, in which it means the uh, pupils, it can also search for the pupils and objects, which is not done by the GPS, and even learning the daily tasks and preferences of an individual to enable digital assistants like Siri and Alexa. Now, Internet of Things. Internet of Things, as we all know, it is also has been a challenge due to the huge amount of data. But in the coming years, we have seen that this is one of the major trends that will provide telecommunication industry with more opportunities in the coming year. So becoming an Internet of Things connectivity service provider and offering machines to machine devices up to